Brad Williams, Frugal Finance. How mowing your lawn can save you over $1,000 a year. Lawn care can be expensive, with professional services charging anywhere from $30 to $80 per visit. Over the course of a 7-month growing season, that could total $1,500 annually, even more for homeowners in warmer states like Florida and Texas and California, where lawns need mowing year-round. However, by handling lawn maintenance yourself, you can cut costs dramatically and save up to $1,200 per year. The real cost of lawn care services? Hiring a lawn service may seem convenient, but the costs add up quickly. Average cost per mow, $30 to $80. Typical mowing season, 7 months, 14 to 30 mows per year. Total estimated cost, $1,500 per year for mid-range services. If you live in a region where grass grows for 9 months or longer, total cost can be even higher. The DIY alternative, what you'll need? While mowing your own lawn requires an upfront investment, it pays for itself within the first season. Essentially, equipment includes a lawnmower, $200 to $500, a one-time cost. A weed whacker, $50 to $200. Fertilizer spreader, you don't really need a fertilizer spreader, but $30 to $100. Gas and maintenance, $50 to $150 per year. Even with these expenses, DIY lawn care remains far cheaper than hiring a professional. Plus, it's healthy. You're outside, you're doing a little bit of activity. Is DIY lawn care worth your time? Time is another factor to consider. A half-acre lawn takes about 2.5 hours per mow, adding up to 70 hours per year. If you value your time at a high hourly rate, hiring a service may be worthwhile. However, for many homeowners, the savings and satisfaction of maintaining their own lawn makes the effort worthwhile. Minimum maintenance for maximum savings? According to experts, grass requires less upkeep than most people think. Basic lawn care includes mowing regularly to maintain an even height, watering as needed, especially in dry months, fertilizing once a year to promote healthy growth, occasional weed control if necessary. By sticking to these simple tasks, you can maintain a lush green lawn without overspending. The added benefit, boosting curb appeal. Beyond saving money, a well-kept lawn enhances your home's appearance and value. A beautiful lawn adds so much curb appeal to a house, says real estate experts. Investing a little time and effort can pay off in both personal satisfaction and potential resale value. Final thoughts? While professional lawn care is convenient, it comes at a steep cost. If you're willing to invest a few hours a week, you can save over $1,000 a year while keeping your yard looking great. For homeowners looking to cut expenses, mowing your own lawn is one of the simplest ways to free up extra cash. If you have any questions or tips in regards to landscaping, mowing, etc., Brad Williams, Frugal Finance. Thanks for watching. Hope that helps. See you soon.